It does, but they don't make sense. It's like either really fast or uncomfortable.
The fat parts just started shrinking until they didn't exist anymore.
The mouse will actually work on this one better. So this one I had to take apart like 4 times, and I click on proxies. You do manual proxy, configure, and then here in HTTP proxy, you're just going to put that address in. As soon as you connected to it with this, it would then dial out, and then this would become a router.
Does it have a built-in speaker?
Yeah, this would kind of see the cells that are pulled in.
Oh my god. The oldest, I restored a 3rd gen. That's about as far back as I went. Oh, that is bizarre. To just move the mechanical wheel. You gotta try that.
Contact in the calendar.
Dude. Oh shit, it's like a smaller version of that thing over there.
This is what you saw?
SGI workstations. One of my nuts is I've seen every side.
Will we print a QR code?
Look at this.
That's, yeah. It's a
Oscilloscope.
Old school art programs, a little tablet.
Oh, it does feel weird. It's also pressure sensitive too.
Yes.
But yeah, I mean, like nobody's cool enough to do this as a business except for us. Like, I only started doing them.
That's home lab stuff.
that memory all works too.
If you go straight in, a lot of TVs have the abnormal liquid around it. So you can just get the screw up. That's how I use these.
Music, pictures, it's vibey.
Beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Everything with
There happens to be what you say. Look at receiver and I want to build that. If you go straight in, a lot of TVs have the